Hey, it's Rafael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be out west in Palm Beach County, checking out Arden, which is the first agri-hood in South Florida. It's a man-gated community with its own lake house and resort pool, and it's committed to healthy living with miles of trails, sports courts, a fitness center, and a working farm and event barn where fresh produce is grown for its residents. So here we have a modern coastal style on this model, which is one of the few homes you'll find in this area where the foyer has a sitting room and opens up to the second story. Downstairs you have the office and a powder room for guests, the owner's suite which has 2 walk-in closets, while upstairs you have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a loft. The 3-car garage is oversized and the kitchen island overlooks directly to the back of the house out to the lanai. And their homes come standard with concrete block construction on both the first and second story, hurricane impact rated windows and doors, natural gas is available for your kitchen and tankless water heater, neutral colored cabinets and quartz countertops, and they have smart home technology and an in-wall pest control system. And with this builder, you don't have to wait a year to build. They specialize in quick move-in homes, and I've been able to get clients of mine great deals on their inventory homes for sale. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out to me directly. I help people just like you buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with and represent you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. But let's talk more about the community itself, which is one of a kind here in South Florida. It's a man-gated community with 176 acres of lakes and 20 miles of trails, parks, and open green spaces. At the center of the community is the 5-acre community farm that's run by the residents and the director. They even offer your own basket every month and sell locally grown products. But what I like most about this community is the 2-story resort pool and grotto with separate sections for kids and adults that's connected to the clubhouse and fitness center. They have a community boat ramp, host activities year-round, and you're just 12 miles from all of the shopping, restaurants, and Equestrian Center in Wellington. So take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.